Hello. In this video, we are going to go over writing an equation into polar form. We are given in rectangular form, and we want to convert all the x's and y's into r and get a theta in there as well. So the first thing we have to recognize is that x is equal to r cosine of theta, y is equal to r sine of theta, and that the tangent of theta is equal to y over x. This one probably won't come up in this equation, but it is good to know for further ones. So the first thing I'm going to do is start replacing what is given. So I'm going to get r cosine of theta for my x and square that because that's what x is equal to. Get my y is r sine of theta minus 8, and we're going to get that squared, equal to 64. Next, we're going to square these guys and start cleaning it up. R squared cosine squared plus, and we have to FOIL this, which will in turn, so let's take this to the side, this r sine theta minus 8 squared is really r sine theta minus 8 times r sine theta minus 8. So be sure that we FOIL this properly. And we go first r squared theta, r sine theta times r sine theta times -8, r sine theta times -8. So we'll combine those two values. -8 times -8, positive 64. So now I can plug that into here. R squared sine squared theta minus 16 r sine theta plus 64 equals to 64. Now we're going to continue to clean up and remember that we have an identity. Cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. So what I could do here is put a parentheses around these two and pull out an r squared. And what you're going to notice is we get our cosine squared plus sine squared in parentheses times that r squared, which is going to be very convenient for us in the next step. Here we can see we subtract the 64 to both sides, so we get a 0 on that end. Next, we replace cosine squared theta and sine squared theta with 1, because that's what it's equal to. R squared times 1 minus 16r sine theta is equal to 0. We're going to move the 16r sine theta to the other side by adding it. And then lastly, we need to divide by the r to get our final equation of 16 sine theta. And this will be the answer to that equation. If you have any other questions you'd like me to do, please send me an email. Thank you and hope everyone has a great day.